To submit the online payroll reporting, go to mywsi.workforcesafety.com and click Online Payroll Reporting. You will view a welcome screen, and after that review, click Log In. Enter your account number and the access code, which is found on your payroll notification letter. The access code is case-sensitive and uniquely generated each year. Once logged in, you'll be asked questions about the business and will be required to answer them before continuing. The first screen asks who is submitting the payroll report. Complete and update this information. There are 3 payroll reporting options. Option 1, indicate you have no wages to report. Option 2, upload the completed Excel template. Option 3, enter the payroll information manually. To submit the report, type yes in the fraud warning and click Continue. You will receive a confirmation of your submission. Email WSI Employer Services at nd.gov or call customer service with questions 800-777-5033.